practicing can be hard. Repeating a passage again and again, let's be honest, it can get a bit tiring. So, if that sounds like you, this video is for you. I'm going to teach you a pretty simple but beautiful piano riff that you can just improvise on, take a bit of a break, relax, before you go back to practicing your very challenging pieces. Okay, let's start by learning the left-hand chords first. So how many chords did I use then? I used just 3 chords, okay? So the first chord I used was the A minor. And in this version of the riff, all you need to learn is these 3 notes in the chord. So A, E, and A. Okay, so A, E, and A. And you use your 5th finger, 2nd finger, and your 1st finger for this one. Okay, first chord done. Alright, next chord is the G chord. In the G chord, all you gotta do, very simple, is just to move down a step. Okay, so G, D, and G. Alright, done. Let's do the last chord. So move down another step, and then we have the F chord. F, C, F. Okay, F, C, F. Let's play it all together. In the riff that I played, I did 1 bar of A minor, 1 bar of G, and 1 bar of F. So it sounds like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Okay. Let's start with some improvising now. The first one I want to teach you is the repeated notes. Look here, I'm just repeating the C. Not much happening in the right hand, but sounds quite nice. Maybe I'll do E now. Sounds good. Okay. Next one, let's learn another one. So this one is adding the middle notes to the chord. So in A minor, we're actually missing a C chord here, C note here, sorry. So this, right? You know, sounds nice, but if we add a C note in there, hear that? That sounds like, you know, a nice chord now. So you can fill in by adding the middle notes in here. Very nice. So add the C to the A minor, B to the G, and A to the F. So again, A, G, G, F. And I was just being a little funny when I did this. Just a little sequence. Okay. Some double thirds. Let's do some broken chords now. So beautiful. And I quite like this one. Sounds very serious, this one. melody. So this is a bit of an advanced one, so good for some advanced students. So you just make up a singable melody on the spot. So I'm just gonna make this up as I go. So. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, why not share it with a friend or consider subscribing if you want more piano tutorials in your feed. Comment below on what you thought was cool or what you found challenging about this tutorial. Have fun practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.